as I was saying, more related to more as a National Democratic Congress NDC. What the organizer kind? What the NDC more police for kind? Never related to that of the how do you do constituency Jamestown Accra and other issues. But in general, how do you avoid because you name the cost so I also west to go a lot of other issues will be now by elections. Money are dear. You say 2020 dear. You misanka sans moyen tibi. Because the campaign crowd and saying because of the young to mass interma be a kama out in Sembasabia. But I see a piece walk after the walk and I got down intervals. Anyway, any other you come the next 10 minutes.
Papa Medasi, Mammy for conjuration comic constituency, I mean, I'm a parliamentary candidate. Lawyer Samuel Safuduku on the parliamentary candidate. Na Makwasa, my Namachia.
Oh, constituency bay.
If you just say East.
Oh, okay.
Na Machia me Fadanso, Alhaji Suleiman. Kotokori hina wa agonasa mai ntie ya no pe papa se da me kan me sha se na me kan obi bia ni ho asem ya titrasem ene basabasa ye eya ade a ope ene sise ya it's about time a political parties ni na ye de ye callous eto nchen ye condemn say nya ade a ebeboa oman Ghana obekan last week na me studio ha ya nya metise no na metise make say on my bia ni ho a ewo wiase a atima tumpon abrekra asundue ni o manim insa asundue ni Ghana there is nowhere Ghana betima tumpon ye nyama pa kakra bia atima ye no basabasa nya sipe nipa bone for de o musa kwa ka sa ase ni nyina
I'm going to take advantage.
Na abrebia na etwe oman no ekọ akiri nkan kokọ akiri. Ni say basabasa say ba say ye condemn no na ye pekwan ye befa so be si ano kwan a enti kwan say ye manu esibio. Papa, ni ekoso enne no. Abra nipa omo oman mum ebenya like ombelu trust in the police in and any other security agency no. No man no air kwachiw. And that is where Ghana is heading to now. But the Ghana ne ekono. Nipa omo man mu no enni gidie. Ewo police ni mu. Gidie omo mu no. Ano brase say
adentia.
Yes. Papa, it is because of political interference from the executive arm of that government, you know. Other sector of and other arms no and this how we eba and Akufo-Addo abamuimu say yeksi obi e ne court a onya ya MPP ni penkosiaga
ebi wo hin
police ni ya police ni chew no ya MPP ni pe enkosiaga the next na abeti and say Attorney General Akufo-Addo no prosecute so oni asemra chibium yenim de si o man mu ha Ashanti region here regional security coordinator no ha nipa bone for koto share so twini si yabonten anom ye party ma MPP party ma omukọ court ekoto share court so sai ho ama judge dwane ye omo aya tso omo yin nipa bone for ade abanka bagu omo nsa omo ye omo nyina gu monten papa asam ne ho asem akosi sei wan ne twe na so wan ne chi ne tumi videos na ko runs ye hu nipa omo ye di sa adwuma de ni na Benam so me party manti. E ho asem kosi se na na dan kwakufa de ho asem kosi se. Wonya omo ne nampɔntin. It's a bema obi bia waka. Sabi wonya MPP.
Why you saying na Akufo-Addo ne jabo musu
of course, he is the commander in chief.
Why are you talking about
he is the commander in chief of the Ghana
police and institution they have to take in charge of everything. But why are you mentioning Akufo-Addo?
Na dan Akufo-Addo is the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. He's responsible for me and your welfare. He's responsible for Ghana.
So are you saying so no can say nya?
Of course, na ba lawyer penny. And another work for the appointing no. And then a file is not prosecuted near Kenya Senator. And you nada Akufo-Addo ye ko bon so bon ha na ye mo so bobium. Abai lawyer penny and another work for that pan say. Abai say when interested in the case. Yenya mranche o makoto hye court so. Mranche o makoto security coordinator, regional security coordinator. Abu na twene se abonte yenya achedi.
But some court ye charge o fine o.
Ye charge o fine o mo ho. Who say na two ayo cases.
Yes.
Omu ba ko omu makoto security coordinator o ma sa ko say. Omu ba bia na na dan Akufo-Addo o man ne ko. But Ghana, abra papa we Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo pe akonye di. Nipa omo ba no to Ghana for ni antie. Nyawo na hotamakro ye MPP ni founding member of MPP. Was say Ghana will learn a bitter lesson under Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo, and that's what we are witnessing today. Kofi Kumso ya Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo damfo ni chocho mucho. Was na damfo Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo wali na nanti ache. Na se papa we be ye president ya enya de ono e na damfo kwa obeda akate nani. Papa eno ho ne yeti. And the police instead komo Ghana for mo ye professional Ghana for ban no just say omo say go machi na de aban ne pe de Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo pe the NPP party ne pe no mo ye. Look at what happened at Asawase. Maybe I'm taking interviews. Oh yeah. And I've called the secretary no more on this nyam makade omu nya kire me. E ji say ya hu se nipa boni bi kra pia awura abawura Nhyira FM ha. Ye baba is Nhyira FM 4 ha nyina ba de atwa besi yeso aba bobo one shot pe say wo be tane betutu. Papa, dia ye no. Dia ye sese ye no. Clearly, a political intimidation. Yen ka manfo kasa bo ahye omuyam yen hunhuna manfo yen fa ehuntu ye opponent so de be ya election day no ehu beto am so mutimi pie ba emekaba
political intimidation why na yes ade
and from Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo what used to the Ghana police and intimidated the NDC bayeka niya kan sisu biem say
do you have that for do you have any proof do you have are you saying that for a fact
me say asemani adanse twa hu bi de adanse look at what happened in Ayawa so dey see Ayawa so a ye ko fam nantie bi criminals e show mo max e bi atuo Ghana atuo ni Ghana eka e ma omo de call Ayawa so west go twitwa amanfo se kan abubu amanfo to buru amanfo e dey na president ka fa IGP bekache say mrantia omoye post for IGP de omani mu no wo so oni mu National Security Coordinator and I said National Security Minister Albert Kandapa abekache say sam mrantia oni mu why na do am call ho Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo committee say committee ye mu hwe ana what is commission some hwe sansem omo ji ye sem hwe
sem short commission
e dey no recommendation beto abonte say sa swat tim yangu no abu bom rante bi double ni azugu ni wa say je reprimand o me ye bi tumi fa bi ye prosecute abi Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo commission report anto antwene atu na dey na asium eji papa ba bia Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo ne MPP de Ghana aircon what is happening in Nigeria now no it is because of the trust amount for lose no security personnel no and dey omo esi eye dey omo ye no who dey esi ho
even people Ghana ha
yempe enti die ne besi ano kwan ma ne ma pepepe ye no kredie professionalism yen ja police for no munyo maduma I know say police for no omo ya professionals ya omo betima ye aduma like omo motor ni etie no service with integrity
yeah
but Nana Adakwa Akufo-Addo be ya chichi omo say gomachi na wachi omo de omo nye how akumsi kwatu to show police police station police ni awodi asem na prosecute asem no ya transfer na free ho ya transfer no it's on my ben na yeti hu on my ben eti hu na ya post for so mo bo me no ho ban no yes say o man no but me can sisu biem say
sifo na me come
me can sisu biem say papa
say Abdallah
wallahi say wo Ghana na say wo personie Ghana sunie da wakoma so na pese Ghana tumpon ekona nim ema ahaye fete say Dubai ni other countries aka this is the time I say utuna na Adakwa Akufo-Addo free akunya iso so we MPP ni so we MPP ni so we why we join political party pe bia this is the time I say so sorry now fra wo now for we yira na wo ma wabusuafo nyina na mo kwoto obadi tia na Adakwa Akufo-Addo because Ghana me koda na times what happened na Ayawa so no ya na me bohu say enti na Adakwa Akufo-Addo betimi at supervise general elections am na a peaceful to say the president the predecessor na ya no awa Ghana hanie papa ebeye
mama komra
enti dey can this political intimidation will not stop NDC from campaigning, from selling our message. This political intimidation from another through the military police,
Okay.
It will not stop NDC from rescuing Ghana from the air course or my Ghana Muhano. No matter what, we are coming out. We will face everybody lawfully. Yebekwa about our lawful duty says here, Yeni police ni biani ase kodi di aten kwato abo.
Mame na wa say Abdallah.
Ni ekoso no se anjaya, ko se kuku kuli jaya. Kika nso be den ebejai.
Suleiman Abdallah Tafere say Abdallah the communication team member at the National Democratic Congress NDC na motene kan 25 and a half days after now ya high 104.5 Miss Media ne Papa the General wa ya opoku myself ya but ma minyi we to mfamfira me na fe me minyi mfi wo